I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose.
Good morning. What are you fussing about? It's too early for that, Maddie. What are you fussing about? Huh? I told you I'll be right back. What are you fussing about? Yeah, what are you fussing about? Hey, are you ready for your affirmation? Madison? Madison, I am beautiful. I am powerful. Not today. It's every day. I am loved. I love you, Aaliyah. I love you, Maddie. Okay. Alright, we're going to get going, okay? Alright. Good morning, guys. So today's Monday. You guys are not going to get this video until later this afternoon. I apologize. But anyways, there's a snowstorm coming. I have to go and get some food because we don't have any food. So I have to go get some food. And I'm redoing one of my walls. So I have to, excuse my hair. I have to go get some stuff for that wall. And I have to get back here before Jackson's bus comes. So come along. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and Walmart. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx first to get the decor stuff, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart to get the food, and then I'll try to be back by 11:30. That's what you get for messing with Heaven. Don't mess with her. Don't mess with her, Ginger. So I'm back in the house. I didn't get to record at TJ Maxx and stuff because it was kind of tricky because I had to strap Maddie to myself, and I couldn't maneuver her, Jackson, a cart, and a camera. So I chose my babies because it's better to be safe and know where he is, and you know, Maddie. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from there. I saw this arrow at TJ Maxx, and I've been looking for an arrow for the longest time. And this just looks like this is like the farmhouse style. This is a farmhouse style arrow, and it's at TJ Maxx it was $16.99. So, and it has the hooks and stuff right here. I'm thinking of putting it up over my dining room and putting the Ray Dunn mugs on it. I'm not sure, but if not, it's gonna go on my big wall that I'm redoing. So that's that. Okay guys, so I found these two frames at Home Goods, and I couldn't pass them up. They are so pretty, and I want to redo some of the kids' pictures, like that picture up there. I want to take them out and put them in something else this color. So I'm gonna do a gallery wall. So and this was only $7 on clearance, so I picked up two, and it's the, yeah, that's the size. So those are beautiful. Okay guys, so from Walmart, let me do Walmart first. So Walmart, I found this love sign, and I'm gonna put it next to my on my filming wall. And I found this Anne that I'm gonna stain to go with that. And then at TJ Maxx, these were the only Ray Dunn items that I found, and it was the Meow and the the purr. So I figured I could use these for Maddie's because they're so much smaller than the actual dog bowl. So I figured I could use these for Maddie's for when I make her rice cereal. And the other one just looks, it's the same color. So yeah. So I got that for her. And then over here I got Slurp in this color, and I picked it up thinking that I wouldn't be able to find the regular bowls. So now that I did find those, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one because I wanted everything to match. So the intention was to get these for the children's cereal bowl because these are extra big. They're like, you could serve soup, whatever, any kind of, you know, saucy food in here. You know, their cereal, it's very deep. And then I picked this up. I really like this. It's a mason jar, and it has a pump. So the reason why I got this is because I figured I could put detergent in here and put it by my sink instead of just that ugly detergent. Why, I could put dish soap in here and use that there. And then I found a cow because I'm gonna redo everything that I have in my dining room. So I found a cow. So yeah, and this cow was, he or she was, cow was $2.99. That's all that I found at TJ Maxx, along with the arrow. Okay, then I called Home Goods and I was like, do you guys have any canisters at all? They said no, but we do have some dog bowls and planters. So I rushed over there and I found these. They're the same size as that turquoise one down there, but except they're all white. And these were $4.99. These were $4.99 from Devour. I got 2 Devour. I got Gulp, Slurp, and I got 2 Gulp. I got 2 Gulp and I guess 2 Slurp because there's a Slurp over there, and 1 Wolf. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of us in our family, counting Baby Madison, so 7. But she has her little thing there. But just in case when she gets older, she can have that one just to make her special. She just, yeah. And then moving on to the planters, I went and I saw this one. And originally I wanted the other one, the big letter ones. You know, the plant, bloom, grow ones. And I didn't see him. All I saw was this one. I was like, oh, let me grab it up. You know, just in case I never see him again in stores. And this was $16.99. And I grabbed this one up. And as soon as I turned the corner, I saw this guy. No, I saw this guy. And it says, Grow, Buzz, Bloom. And I said, oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's get it. So I picked this up. And this was also $16.99. And then I turned the corner again and I saw this one. Like, this is so cute. And it was $16.99 as well. And the reason why I picked up 3, not that I need 3, is because there's I'm on this group with Facebook, and you know, the women are always looking for stuff and can't find them. And of course you have upsellers that sell them for a ridiculous price. So I figured I'd pick them up and they could just pay shipping and handling for these and the retail price. So that's that. So yeah, that is all I found, and that's all I got from there. Let me show you guys the kids, and then we're gonna call this video. I don't know guys. So let's show you guys the babies. My husband is at work, and believe it or not, he's not getting home until after 6, and then he starts his night job that starts at 8, and then he gets off at 11:30 from there, and then he has to go plow his original day job that he left. He has to go plow their property from 12 a.m. until 5 a.m. and then he doesn't have to work tomorrow because it's gonna snow. So he's figuring that since this is a new job, then he can use the plow removal job, the snow removal job, I'm sorry, the snow removal job, I'm tired, the snow removal job to compensate for the Tuesday day job, you know, if that makes sense. But anyways, let me show you guys the babies. They don't know I'm coming in. What are you guys doing?
Whoa, you scared me. In the game.
Why are you up there? Okay.
Yeah. Go. I tried too.
Okay. It's not just her responsibility. It's also your responsibility as a student to pay attention.
I listen to mine and for my.
You know, your teacher's not your mommy. Mommy's patient with you. Mommy's kind to you. Mommy listens to you. Not everyone is going to do that for you. And not because you have a label on you saying that you have a disability doesn't mean that you can't try. Doesn't mean that you can't do your best. You can. Okay? You have to go. It's your but back to what I was saying. Your teacher's not your mommy. She's not going to be patient with you. You've had really, really good teachers that were patient with you and were able to, you know, see you through the rough patches. You had some rough patches.
You did?
And they were able to accommodate you. But not every teacher is going to do that for you. So you can't get used to just a certain way, you know. Jordan has to do the work. Okay? I'm going to go. I have to cook dinner. I don't even know what I'm cooking for dinner. But like I was saying, he failed writing. Okay, so he got an N. An N in writing means not yet making progress or making minimal progress towards meeting the grade level standard. And this was she says Jordan does not put forth any effort in starting or completing written assignment. Jordan was diagnosed with ADHD from the time he was, I want to say 4 or 3. He was diagnosed. Well, that wasn't the original diagnosis. The original diagnosis was that he had 26 developmental delays, and they were preemies. The twins were preemies. They were born at 29 weeks. So they were 11 weeks early. So he didn't do so well developmentally. He was slow to walk. He didn't walk until he was 1 year and 2 months. Yeah. And his speech, even now, if you listen to the clip of him talking, he still struggles with speech, and that's not a part of his IEP anymore. They don't offer a speech for him anymore in his IEP. Well, I don't know, and it's hard. His ADHD is hard, and we made the conscious decision. We made the decision not to put him on medication because I've seen what medication did to other kids, and I just don't want that for him. You know, I don't want to lose his personality that he has. I don't want him to, you know, kind of zone out on me. I don't want any of that. You know, I love Jordan. Guys, come get your backpack from off the sofa, please. And laundry's still sitting on the laundry's still sitting.
Well, check it with you guys. So he's not high.
I don't care who it is. Come get it off the couch.
Okay.
Homework. Did you guys start on homework?
I'm doing
Did you guys do chores? No. It needs to get done. Jaxson, why are you whining? You need to use the bathroom. Can you wait? Wait. Oh, Daddy says this thing goes to the trash.
Can I take it out?
Jordan is doing trash. Sorry, buddy. I promise I'm not a dictator. They just have to learn, you know. I don't mind doing housework. I don't mind doing things. Like the other day I woke up and I decluttered the whole entire house by myself, you know. But I like for them to learn how to do things, you know. Illy, that is not the vacuum.
I know.
This is a
So what are you doing?
I need to get the cord.
Oh, okay.
Cutie. Where Cutie? Her thing. I'm going to be the first one to my daughter's.
You're gonna be the first one to get your driver's license?
Daddy taught me to plug in the key, open the doors, and open the trunk.
And that's how you drive.
Now I just need to know how to steer the wheel.
You need come here. Come right here.
Yeah.
What do you need to do next?
Next is steer.
Oh wait, people. Wait. Jason is gonna tell y'all how he gonna drive a car. Hold on.
Okay. First, how to drive a car.
Alright, say Jordan, wait. Jordan, there's trash over here, so you might wanna come get that.
I got something.
Tell us what you're gonna do, Jason. How you gonna drive a car?
I get the key, open the door,
Uh-huh.
plug in the key, and turn it. Then put my feet on the pedal.
Stop doing that. Okay.
Then I grab the steering wheel.
Mm-hmm.
Then turn the video.
Mm-hmm.
Turn on the vacuum.
And then drive?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's how you drive. And I want to listen to music on the radio. No. At first,
you ain't gonna be driving me around. But anyways, people, we're gonna cut this video. I'm gonna go edit it and give you guys a Monday something, because this is not a vlog. And he don't know. Don't let Jason drive.
Because I had a dream. He drove us into those deep river
Oh
things.
wow. Okay. So I'm gonna edit this, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Never know, baby, when I